What is up, YouTube? Today I have some really big news for you guys. I can't really tell you too much until we get further into the video, but yeah, just know this video is going to be awesome and you guys are going to want to stick around. So yeah, let's hop straight into this video. Before we do that, I got to put these doggies up. Look at them, look at them, look at them. What are you doing? Look at them. I had them outside, they were using the bathroom, so let me put them inside. Go ahead. For those of you that have seen my last video, I'm pretty sure that you've seen that I said I was looking for a manual car. Well, I posted that about a month ago. So with that being said, it's been a month, so I was looking and stuff, and I considered multiple different things, like, you know, getting maybe a Mustang or, you know, maybe a Camaro or something like that. That was just like a manual. It didn't have to be very, very fast, because really what I'm trying to do with this starting off is, because I don't really know how to drive manual all that well, and so I'm trying to really just figure out how to drive it with this car. So that's pretty much what the main purpose is to learn how to drive manual, take this car to car meets and stuff. So it's gonna be pretty amazing after I get some stuff done to it and things. I do have some videos coming very, very soon, modifications and stuff like that are gonna be going on to the channel very soon. I just have to record some videos first to let you guys know what's going on, so the channel's not all over the place and skipping around. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the car. This car is a 2007 Honda Accord. It is the SE model for the Accord. I don't know if that's like one of the top of the line packages. I kind of looked it up and it said it was just a special edition, but I don't see like any numbers saying like this was like one of the very first ones being made or anything like that. But we're gonna do like a little overview really fast of the car. We have automatic driver's side window. Others are powered. This is the unlock and lock for the doors to lock the windows if somebody is, you know, annoyingly rolling up and down their window. Over here we have volume controls to switch the channels and stuff for the radio. Then we have cruise control right here. Moving on to the radio, just a basic head unit, you know, AM, FM radio. I don't know if this car actually has an aux. I haven't really tried to look for it or anything like that, but it does say it has aux, like if you want to sync or skip a CD, power for the audio, and volume controls, AC. The AC does run pretty good on this vehicle, which is nice. Right here we have a compartment, my little Bluetooth thing to listen to music. In here we have like a little coin thing. I'll put my key tag for the car in there to store it if I need it or anything. Probably not. 12-volt outlet right there. And the whole reason I pretty much bought this car, 5-speed transmission. But that's first, second, third, fourth, over and up is fifth. And then if you want to go in reverse, all the way over to the right and back is reverse. Right there, parking brake, water to stay hydrated. Make sure you're drinking water and staying hydrated. Right here we have a pretty big storage spot. I would say 12-volt outlet is also down there. And a little coin slot in there as well. In here we have a little glove box. And the passenger seat, I have Bart Simpson. I could probably tell you about 100 stories of people just coming up to me or whatever and asking and thinking it's like the most hilarious thing ever that I put him in the front seat. I got him out of a storage locker and I just put him in. Well, actually I put him in my truck first to bring him home, and then I was like, you know what, it'd be funny to put him in the Accord. So he's in the Accord now. Up here you got your sun visors, little lights if you can't see at night from the other light, blue light glasses for when you are on your phone or working on a computer and stuff. Mirror for that one. I don't know if this one has a, oh yeah it does, it has a mirror. Hey, what's up? And then right here we have the backup, well, not really backup mirror, but we have the rear view mirror right here. So, yeah, we're gonna hop in the back seat and I'll show you some things back there. In the back seat of the car, which will probably be like one of the many or couple times that I am back here, because I'll mainly be driving, because I don't know very many people that drive stick, and even if I was, I'd probably be in the front passenger seat. So yeah, back here we just got the basic windows. Down there we have a cup holder, which is a pretty big space to put a drink. I mean, you can't put nothing like extra large or huge drink, but you could probably fit a medium size, or maybe, it just depends on where you go, you could probably fit a large cup. Down there we have some protectant wipes for the dash and other stuff around the car. I think that is supposed to be an 8th gen Honda Civic, but I think they took the thing off the front or edited it out. But that does look like a Honda Civic wheel. Back here we also have the pouches, like little kangaroo pouches. That's what I like to call them, is kangaroo pouches. This one's kind of flappy, but that one over there is pretty snug to the seats. I don't know if I'll store a lot of things back here, but it is good to have them if I do need them. Back over here we also have another cup holder. This car has many cup holders, and right here we can fold this down and it reveals 2 more cup holders and a space to get back to the trunk if you need to. So with doing that little overview, I do have one little thing that I do want to do today and put in the car. I bought these the other day and I just took them out of the package, and I wanted you guys to see them, and well, you'll see them anyway, but I kind of paid a lot of money, or not really a lot of money, but I definitely overpaid for them for, you know, the brand that they are, which was kind of stupid. But in a sense, I really do like these, and they go with the car, so who cares. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys them right now. So these are the floor mats that I picked up right here. They do say Honda on them, which is nice. I do have these 2 back ones as well, but they are not, they don't say Honda or anything on them, but I paid $41. I did overpay for these floor mats though. I picked them up for $41. I don't know what the tax was, but the retail was $41, which was kind of stupid on my part when I should have just went to Walmart and paid $20 for a set of 4. But I like the fact that they said Honda on them, which will go with the car, and I think it'll look pretty sick. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these in and see what they look like. Tell me that does not look awesome in here. Alright, so let's put in the other one. Dude, this thing looks so awesome down here. They both look amazing in here with a little Honda symbol on them. So let me show you guys what it's gonna look like from this view as well. Look at it if you're in the driver's seat. That is just amazing. I should probably get a Honda shifter that says Honda on it. That would look awesome. But I do like these floor mats that are in there now. So we're gonna put the backs in real fast and I'll get back to you. This is gonna be so much nicer. People can't just put their feet wherever on the thing. They could have a place to put them, and if it does happen to be a muddy day outside, it can go on here instead of on this beautiful carpet style format that did come with the car. So I do like this look in here with the arrows and the directions. I love the floor mats. I know I did pay over for them, but if it makes someone happy to pay a little bit over for something that is more expensive, who cares? If they're happy, they're happy. So this video, it is effectively over. I know that it wasn't that long of a video and I didn't really do too much. I kind of just installed some floor mats on the car, which is kind of just really the purpose is to reveal the car and show you guys that I do in fact have the manual transmission car here. So it's kind of really just an entry video to open up to more videos that are going to be coming to the channel. I do have another video that I am going to record later on very, very soon today, installing some new stuff into the car. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. It'll probably be up a little bit later in the week for when you're seeing this video. But yeah, I had fun making this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching it. New floor mats just came in, so yeah, we got the little Honda symbol. I did pay over for them, but it is what it is. I like them and they look amazing in the car. So that being said, this video is effectively over. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Peace.